How to fix Steam game patching for too long. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can fix your Steam games taking too long for its patches. Now before I teach you that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step that you will need to take is locate your Steam, make sure it's turned on, it's patching and everything, and if it's taking too long, open up your task manager. You can simply search for task manager on your search bar and then open it up. Now, right here on the task manager, you'll find Steam's different options. What you can do is you can simply select Steam right here. You'll see Steam Client Web Helper. You can see how many tasks it's running right now. You can right click on it and simply end the task. So end any task that Steam is currently doing. And after you've done that, you can restart your Steam. Open up your Steam after you've done that. And after you've opened that up, head over to the library right here and search for the game that is currently patching. Here on the sidebar, you'll find it. Right click on it, head over to its properties. After you're on its properties, you'll find a lot of different options. Head over to installed files. What you'll need to do is verify the integrity of the games. So verify its integrity, it can take some time, just let it finish. After you've done that, tap on the Steam option on the top left. Then head over to settings. On the settings, here you'll find storage. Tap on storage, not storage. Here you'll find a lot of different options. Head over to downloads. Here under downloads, you'll find clear cache. So clear out your cache, tap on confirm. And after you've done that, you'll need to relog into your Steam. Just do that and just patch the game again, and it should be rather quickly than before. And it's that simple. And that's it for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye-bye. Take care.